Hey there planners, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and today we are setting up my faith planner. I actually didn't purchase a planner. I am going to make it myself. What I did purchase was the sticker book and also the faith calendar for 2020. This is the desk calendar. So let's open this up. And this is how it comes.
So let's do a quick flip through, okay? So let's, I don't know if you've seen this, I feel like desk calendars are really not that popular. Not a lot of people talk about them. I guess not a lot of people use them. But I feel like it was really good quality. And I didn't want to add another planner to my lineup just because I feel like I have enough, to purchase a whole planner. So I have extra desk and I have extra
I have and what my idea is, what I'm gonna do with it. And there we go.
You'll see. So let's do a flip through. I love the copper foil. It's very pretty. And all of this color is very muted. So soothing, So it has a combination of clear stickers and also paper backing, which is this right here. It has like white paper and a sticker. And you can use the stickers on all the books, it doesn't have to be your faith book or your faith planner. It could be, say like this, you can use it for any other one. Those boxes are very useful for appointments, for appointments and whatnot, so keep a list, reminder, flags. It's falling apart already. I noticed that the books that I've been buying lately are just, they fall apart so fast. It doesn't know how I keep my books, right? Oh, you know what, actually, I'm going to show you how I keep my sticker books later. Look at that, how pretty. And it has bullet points, so. Flashy tape also. So you can just keep it picking up, It's just that little finger pick me up, feel good.
Look at this. Just rip. Three more boxes. Reminder. And there we go. All right, so let me just put this back together. Wow. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna use the stickers. I'm gonna transform the desk. You know what? Let's just. There you go. Oh, I hope I don't mess this up, you guys. Let me cut this apart and I'll see you in a second. Now I'm gonna trim the pages and get them all even. little higher, but it's okay. I can't decide whether I want a dark blue or this. No, I don't like that. This is, I don't even know what color this is. Like a gray, green. Okay, so it's gonna be between those two. I think I'll go with the lavender, yeah? All right, so let me trace this, measure, and cut it to size. Okay, that is perfect. So now let's punch the back cover down. Let's do this. Just gonna mark. There we go. That should work. All right. I sometimes mark it, but a lot of times I just eyeball it, you know? It's part of doing things by hand, you know? It's part of creating things out of nothing, or things out of what you already have, you know? I think that looks good. Oh my gosh. All right, I don't want to mess it up. Oh, yeah, a little bit off. But it's just fine because guess what? I use an erasable pen, so I can just erase this. Perfect. Okay, you guys, so now we have our front, back covers, and we have our dividers here, our months. Now what I need is, I just need a couple of pages per month. So this is where I keep all of my extra paper and tabs and, you know, dividers, extra months that I have. Oh, this is not gonna stay here. I need to move that. That's a different thing. Okay, this is my budget extender, which I really don't use. I'm gonna show you how I use my planner for budgeting in a different video. Okay, so now this is where this paper right here, it's grid, which is fine. I'd rather use line paper, but it's okay. Now why I'm gonna use this now, I don't like the yellow. I can keep it. Let's take some more paper out and just trim the pages so I don't have to punch the paper. But I really don't like the yellow. And there's no yellow here, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna trim it off. Okay, What should I do? Should I make it easy for myself and just do that? And keep the yellow. You know what? Actually, the yellow, it's not that bad. So I have to do this right here. No, I still have to trim the bottom. Otherwise it's gonna show. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna trim it from here and here, and I'm gonna have to punch the paper. Yeah, I don't care for this. I have extra disc. I'm thinking between this colors right here. Oh, and I have pink. I really like this blue right here. But what are we doing for the back? I think I'm gonna do the black mini disc. Not that. And pink, I have so much pink everywhere, so I think we can do without pink this time. All right, so let's put this together. But even when they're laminated, I always do both the front and the back covers together when I'm adding them to my, or when I'm adding the disc. It's pretty easy to put them together like this. There we go. Perfect. All right, so now to add the ones, I usually go like this. Oh, another. Okay, where's the beginning of the year? Here it is. Sorry, you guys. Okay. This might be easier this way. Okay. Let's see. Yes. So for now, I'm just gonna add a couple pages per month. Okay. So next month.
Whatever's easiest for you, you know? Yeah, it's easier for me this way. And you can add white paper or whatever paper you want to use, which is, you can copy paper. You know, if you have the Happy Planner punch, you can add any paper you like and make it your own. See, whatever works for you. So let's keep adding those right here. Oh, look, I have more paper left, which is gonna.
You can add as many as you like. You can use copy paper, as long as you have a punch. I really like the happy, what am I doing? I really like the Happy Planner punch. I have the classic. So there you go. I put it together. I really like the black disc with that. It's very thin right now, but keep in mind I'm gonna add stickers and writing. Most likely I'll be adding more, you know, paper. I'll just cut some more. Still have some of that, of this yellow paper. I'm thinking I might use a little bit of this, well, I might use a lot, I don't know. Some of this clear contact paper, just to make it a little bit more durable. Back because it's just craft paper. I think I'm gonna do the contact paper trick on this. I don't know why it's getting stuck. I really like this, and I know I'm gonna use it. You know, that's the thing. I'm using my extra disc paper that it was just sitting there that I wasn't using. And, you know, I'm creating something. There you go. And my back cover. Alright, you guys, so it's super easy. You know, just use things that you already have. So basically I purchased this and this, and I'm creating my own faith journal or planner, however you want to call it. It's gonna stay in my nightstand, in my drawer, with my pen and my sticker book. And I can work on this at night, you know, just before going to bed. And it's all set up for me. There you go. I hope you enjoy. It's super easy, and I'll see you next time.